Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna play Fortnite Duos with my friend Bikram's all in one. So
Hello
he's
guys.
he's a good YouTuber. He makes funny videos, like real life videos, except for me. I'm doing gaming. So we're playing Fortnite. I'm playing on PlayStation. He's playing on PlayStation. So this is a pretty awesome game. Every one of you would have heard about this game. This is Fortnite. So we'll try to get victory royale, except Bikram has to help me, or else I'll be down. I'll not be in the game. So
Guys,
that
please
will be
subscribe
wrong.
to my channel and
So
motivation.
the link to his channel will be in the description, so you can like, share and subscribe. So
This is in the lobby. Everyone is hitting each other.
come on, dude, I'll mark
Yeah.
where we have to go.
Okay.
We'll go to retail view, or we'll go to retail view. I've marked it. Don't get out somewhere else. Do you want to go to
Yes.
the grotto or the risky wheels?
No, I'm going to delete it.
I'm going to the grotto.
And-
Let's go to the grotto. Come on.
Where is it? I have jumped.
I have jumped too,
Am I going correct?
I guess. Last time I
can
hit
see.
TNT na. How many people, dude?
I don't know.
I'll get
There
his
are-
minigun. I'll get Brutus's minigun.
Where are you?
You're too. I'm not in retail view. I said I'm in grotto.
Why didn't you mark it?
I just said it. So
Oh, I'm wearing a dabba.
what's a dabba?
Oh, I'm dead. Ah.
You're not getting hit. Your health is full.
No, I don't have anything.
Dude, you're too far away from me.
Oh, I'm gone. in
You're
the
not
game.
gone. You're alive.
Oh, there are so many people. Help me. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, Motor Nation? I don't even have a gun.
I just knocked down Midas.
Where are you? You are very far away from me. I have come out of Little Row.
Oh. I just knocked down some people.
I
Like,
need guns.
I just have 11 bullets.
Where?
Just come to me.
There are so many people. I cannot come there.
What do you mean?
You come to me.
Come
I'm
on.
going-
How can I come to
can-
you?
I can see more people here. Oh God. Why are you changing the location? I told you. Oh God.
Just run from there. Run away. Come to me.
Oh, I have a pistol and he has a shotgun.
Come to heaven.
I eliminated one person.
Ouch, 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 ouch. I'm getting hit.
I got the shotgun.
Ow.
You know, I eliminated a person with a pistol, and he
Oh
had
my
a
God.
shotgun.
Which one? A green pump?
No,
What?
the whiskey boons.
What's the whiskey boons?
It's a name.
I don't know.
I'm at Lazy Lake.
I thought you were at retail though.
I came out of there. There were so many.
I'm too
persons
far
there.
away from the zone.
Even I am. I'm going in the zone. I
Not
got
now.
the
Wait,
chest.
wait.
I got
wait.
the chest.
Dude, can you
Found
wait?
the chest. Oh boy, so many nice guns. I even got a drone.
What's a drone?
Ah, why did I shoot? I think I saw something.
I need meds.
I have bandage.
Not bandages. Meds in Fortnite means that build materials.
Oh, I never knew that because I don't play Fortnite.
Yes, I know what you play. You play Call of Duty Mobile.
No.
Yes.
Come
Okay.
to me, Motor Nation.
We have 5 minutes, dude.
Should I go in the zone?
No. Not now. Please come to me. I have so good loot. Come on, dude. Come to me.
Where are you? You're very far away.
You are very far away.
You are. I'm close to the zone. Do we have first person in this?
No.
There's a mod we can download.
Fortnite does not have mods, dude. Who are you?
I saw it in TG.
Who's TG?
Technical Gamer.
Technical gamer. I'm trying to find Brutus.
You're very far away from me.
Brutus, where are you, dude? I've destroyed something, I don't know what.
How are we playing it? Why are you in the grot?
The grot?
You're still in the grot?
I'm in the grotto.
Come out of there.
Why?
Because the zone is coming.
Are you afraid of the zone?
No. There are no good guns here.
Dude, help!
I'm very far away from you. Why are you not coming?
Ouch! No!
I am playing, don't quit. Hello?
Bikram,
Huh?
please help me!
How can I come? I cannot come that far.
Where are you?
You spectate me.
No, I'm not dead!
But you are very far away till the time I come. Your
But
health
you
will
can
be
collect
gone.
my reboot card.
That's very far away. The zone's coming there. And
Come
I
on, you
I
have
will-
2 minutes.
I will not be able to run back.
We will, there's a boat over here.
I'm very far away.
You're a bad Fortnite friend.
Because I
I'll
told
die
you-
of the zone, I don't care. Come on, zone. 6.
spectate me.
Oh! I died of the zone. I'm spectating you.
Okay.
Relocating. I'm spectating BM Singh 527 right now. I still can't see your screen. So dude.
Why?
Okay, now I can. Come on, come on.
Am I on the truck?
Yes. You're not on the truck, but you're hitting the truck.
I don't have good gun. Oh, my gun is gone.
You have
I-
guns. Okay. You don't have good guns. Okay, there's a gun over there. Just jump and collect that. Just collect. What are you doing?
I just took the submachine gun.
Dude, press
Hmm.
the upper arrow on your PlayStation controller.
Yes.
Okay, then just rearrange your inventory. Put the shotgun next to your other gun. Put it.
It's next to my other gun only.
No, it's next to your grenade. It's next to the bandages. What am I telling? What are you doing? They're both opposites. Why are you shooting?
By mistake.
If you see a
So
person
guys-
build, if you see a person build, BIULD.
So
Dude.
guys,
I'm quitting.
why?
You can also quit.
Why? I can win this match.
No.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
I will try to be in the
Go in
top
the
10.
zone. Just go.
There's a camping here.
Hide in the tents if you want. Just activate that bonfire. Just activate that bonfire. The bonfire, dude. The bonfire.
Where is it?
Left. See, left. This thing. The campfire. Come on.
Okay.
Why are you shooting? Just stay near it. Your health will restore. Come on now, go.
Can we hide in the tent?
No, there's a chest over there. Yes, there's a chest over there. Search the chest. Pick this. Pick this except for the grenade. Yes, very good. I guess there was a build battle over here. There's another chest. Just run through them. You
There's
have
a
enough
person.
cash. Run,
Oh, there's a
run,
student.
run.
Or should I?
You just see behind if there's anyone. Go. Just go through the water. Press X, press X, press X. Go like a dolphin.
What is this?
What are you doing? Don't waste them, they are precious. Pick up the ammo, pick the ammo, pick the ammo. Pick wood. Get more wood.
Okay.
You have 2 kills. And 1 spectator.
There are just 10 people left.
I have 2 kills and you have 1 kill. Sorry, I forgot.
Next time, don't come land in grotto.
Grotto is a good place. I almost had Brutus's minigun. Come on, go inside, get the shotgun ammo. You can jump. Just camp in some house. Camp in that house.
Okay.
That broken house. Or camp in camp somewhere. You're better at camping. Dude, get that pump shotgun. Except for the tactical shotgun. Get the pump shotgun.
Tactical is better.
Pump is better. It has more damage. Okay, come on. You can do it.
Yes.
There's a XP over there. There's XP. It will give you level up. Grab it. You have to go in through it. Now get the other XP. Come on, come on. Get them fast. Get the main one. Get the main. Come on now, you can go. You're in the zone. Camp. Hide in this house. Hide in this house. There's a chest above you.
There's a person.
There's a chest above you. There's helicopters.
Somebody is coming with the
Hide.
helicopter.
Hide in the corner and crouch.
How to crouch?
Press R3. 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 The right. Press the right, which you move from which the. Just press it downwards. Yes. Now you're crouching. Just yes over there. Yes.
Should I keep the shotgun in my hand?
Go to the cupboard. Go to the cupboard and hide over there.
Oh, I
my
can see the
God.
person. Should I keep the shotgun?
Shotgun,
or the-
shotgun, shotgun. Don't move.
Should I? Oh my God.
Don't move.
He's
Oh.
coming. Oh God.
Keep aim. Aim over there. Aim.
Yes.
Come on.
He'll come from the side, I think.
No, no one can. Don't move, dude. You can get good kills. 8 people. 4 of them are here, I guess. Someone is launching rocket launchers. Okay?
Should I just stay here?
Get ready, okay?
This is about to get nasty.
Don't
I think they
aim
are
somewhere. No.
Should I aim at the door?
Yes.
Oh, someone's coming. I can hear the
Aim.
noise.
Aim over there. Aim at the
It's on the
door.
door.
He can come from the walls. Wait. He... Look behind
Should I
you.
go?
Look behind you. If the wall is breaking, then run. No one knows that you're camping over here.
Yeah. Only 60.
So come on.
He's coming.
Above you.
Is he above me?
Yes. Down the stairs. No.
He's coming down.
Don't move.
Okay. Oh, the zones.
You have 1 minute. Just give him a shot. Just
No,
shoot
no.
anything.
No. He's coming. See.
Look behind, look
Who's that?
behind you. The wall.
No. I think he's behind me.
He's gone.
Is
No,
he gone?
no.
How do you know?
Can you hear them?
I'm going outside.
Okay, open the door.
How to hide the Okay. Should I open? Keep the shotgun in my hand?
Yes, you have to play short range.
Oh! He set a trap for
break
me.
is. It's not a trap. Break
Oh.
the build, dude.
I'm
Come
keeping
on.
shotgun in my hand.
You had a better gun behind. There was a
Should I
better
not-
gun behind.
Should I leave the shotgun?
Keep the
What
minigun. Keep the minigun. And keep another shotgun. Keep the shotgun. Don't keep it except for the minigun. Keep it for the bandages. Keep it for the bandages. And drink the big pot. Drink the big pot. Now drink it. Now pick the crash pad. Pick the crash pad, not this crash pad. And switch to your first weapon, the assault rifle. The assault rifle, dude. Now
Oh,
look.
the zone's there.
Come
Let
on,
me
go,
go.
run. Press triangle so you can run with your. Now you'll
I
go
don't want to
faster.
run with my ass.
Person, shoot him with the minigun. With the minigun. With the minigun. Oh my God. He has a scar. He has a scar. Pick it for the assault
there's
rifle.
someone else.
He
There's
has a
someone
scar,
else.
dude. He
Yeah,
has a.
leave
s-
it,
You
there's
can't.
someone
You
else.
can't fight them without that gun.
I'm fighting with the minigun.
Okay, but you don't have enough ammo.
I have a bee.
Don't use the zip line. It's obvious. It goes into the. It goes into
the
the
zone
blue
is-
zone.
The zone is more. Should I
Go
let
into
me-
the water, dude. There's water below.
If I jump, the
No,
damage
there's
will
water. There's water. You had any damage?
Be... No.
Two
Oh,
people.
there are
Two people. Be careful.
Okay. Okay.
That's
I
a
can
trap.
wait.
That's a trap. That's a trap.
Should I go there?
No, I don't think you should.
What gun should I keep in my hand? Shotgun?
Yes. You can go into the trees. Just launch a crash pad.
So I
Just
can hide in there.
yes.
How to hide?
Come on, you'll not reach the tree. The smaller tree, the small trees. This tree.
Okay.
Try this tree. Try this tree.
This tree.
Just put it on somewhere. Oh, come on, you were close, so close.
I can camp in the tree.
Yes, you can camp in the tree if you place the bounce pad correctly.
Okay, there is someone here. Just be quiet.
Keep the minigun.
Minigun.
Yes. See, hit him. Hit him. He's
Where is he?
right. Come on, what are you doing?
Can you see him?
Yes, I saw him in the water. See left. What are you doing?
I can.
Come on.
Ah!
Dude, what are you doing?